It's a TV, it's a smart display. Actually, it's both. This is the Echo Show 15 and this is the Echo Show 21, Amazon's largest smart displays and the favoured interfaces for interacting with the recently announced Alexa Plus subscription plan. Check out our YouTube channel for a full video explaining everything that's coming soon. While the Echo Show 21 is an all-new product, this is actually the second generation of the Echo Show 15. The original launched back in 2017. With built-in Fire TV, an included Alexa voice remote, and all the trimmings of a contemporary smart display, these screens are fantastic for kitchens, dining rooms, and hallways. However, Amazon's larger smart displays have never been quite as popular as the smaller screen or smart speaker siblings. Now that could all be set to change thanks to Alexa Plus. Amazon has exclusively demonstrated Alexa Plus features on these devices, and homes featuring an Echo Show 15 or 21 will be among the first to try Amazon's new AI subscription plan, provided you're in the US. That in mind, it seems as though these new larger screens will be taking centre stage in Amazon's product lineup. But will Alexa Plus be enough to make these smart displays mass market? Let's find out. The Amazon Echo Show 15 costs $299 or £299, but the Echo Show 21 is $100 or pounds more expensive. Both are available directly from Amazon and are linked in the description box below if you want to check them out. They're wall mountable, but if you want a desktop or counter stand, you're looking at $100 or £100 on top for the official stand, which is what I'm using for the 15 here, but there are a wide range of compatible VESA mounts available online. However, our top tip is to find a rotating mount, as both of these screens can be installed in portrait or landscape orientation and easily switch with a turn of the screen. The elephant in the room here value-wise is that a decent 43-inch smart TV is a more affordable option if you primarily just want a small TV for your kitchen. But if you want smart home control, life admin features, and already use Alexa throughout your home, Echo Shows are a great solution. It's also worth considering the price of Alexa Plus. By itself, the AI subscription service will be $19.99, but it's free as part of an Amazon Prime membership. We don't yet have global pricing or release plans either, so if you're in another region, you might just want to wait until you know more about Alexa Plus. Modelled after a simple picture frame, the Echo Show 15 and 21 screens are laid on a white mat surrounded by a black frame. Along the top here are its speakers, volume controls, as well as two pinhole microphones. There are manual privacy features too, which I have activated so I can freely say Alexa's name. There's a microphone mute button which glows red when activated, and a privacy shutter that covers the 13-megapixel camera. You'll also have to factor in the 1.5-meter power cable when considering placement, which needs to be inserted into a recess on the back of the display, and does limit your options significantly when it comes to positioning your Echo Show. Even for me right now, I've got an extension lead right behind me on this stool because the cables can't actually reach the floor, so definitely worth considering when buying this. Also included is the aforementioned Alexa voice remote, which is a neat addition, but one that falls a little flat because it can't actually be used for skills or services outside of the Fire TV interface. Thankfully, there's touch controls for all of the other interfaces, but frustratingly, these don't work with the apps in Fire TV interface consistently, so there's no unified way to consistently control the whole screen. A little annoying, but passable. The most important thing to recognise about the Echo Shows 15 and 21 is that you're not going to get the screen quality, viewing experience, or listening experience that you might expect from a purpose-built entertainment device. These screens are designed to take a subtle backseat in your kitchens, living rooms, hallways, or dining room, offering at-a-glance views of your most important household information, as well as for background streaming while you potter around the home. That's not to say the specs are weak. Both the Echo Show 15 and 21 offer bright and crisp images with a highly reflective 1920 by 1080p display. The viewing angle for these screens isn't the best either, which is a misstep for devices designed to be glanced at from various places in a room. But provided you don't place it directly in a sunbeam, you should get by just fine. Compared to the original Echo Show 15, the audio is much improved, offering surprisingly punchy sound from the 2-inch woofers and 0.6-inch tweeters. Still, if you're particular about image and sound quality, it's a good idea to hook up better speakers, as I found them to be modest at best, especially on the Echo Show 15. The new auto-framing 3.3x zoom 13MP camera, say that 5 times fast, is a notable improvement for better Alexa drop-ins, and that's paired with the onboard proximity sensor, which not only helps to control the screen's brightness, turning it on when someone approaches the device, but also its content. Using facial or voice recognition, the Echo Show will show me content relevant to me. Say a TV show I'm midway through watching, but when my partner approaches it, the screen might show him his favourite artist instead. In recent years, Amazon has added widgets to its smart displays, allowing you to more easily organize your life with shopping lists and calendars, as well as daily reminders. You can customize the kinds of information you see day to day, whether that's local weather reports or smart home favorites to control your home. Worth highlighting is that Alexa Plus has its own distinctive UI from what we've seen, and that only adds to this customizability. Support is provided for Matter and Thread, which means you can use the Echo Shows 15 and 21 as a Zigbee hub, and setup is just as easy as the rest of Amazon's Echo range. Overall, both the Echo Shows 15 and 21 are capable devices, but they still don't quite pack the wow or cool factor like other devices in Amazon's ever-growing Echo range, especially not without Alexa Plus. They're not quite TV enough to be all-rounder TV replacements, nor are they the optimal displays for smart home control. That mantle goes to the Echo Hub, which features a smart home-first user interface, where these just use the standard one. I can't quite fathom why Amazon didn't roll this out onto the Echo Show 15 and 21, though in all likelihood it's the impending arrival of Alexa Plus which throws a spanner into that particular body of work. Without Alexa Plus, these smart displays feel like they fill a relatively small niche in Amazon's Echo device range, though many of the software quirks may be improved over time. If you are interested in Alexa Plus, I'm fairly certain these displays will offer the best possible experience out of all of the existing Echo devices, but that might not be a good enough reason to buy if you're not otherwise interested. For more information on Alexa Plus, check out our full video explaining everything we know so far, and make sure to subscribe to TechRadar for more news, reviews, and how-tos. Check out techradar.com for our full Echo Show 15 and 21 reviews too, and we'll see you next time.